Hello everybody. As you know, my name is Sathya and my channel's name is Sathya Swarat. So today I am going to present a new project in Scratch which you can download or you can go play it online. I'm making a project. I have a code in this. So I'll explain the code and I'll show you the codes. So let's start. First, we need to delete this cat sprite. Then the motion blocks will not appear. Then we need to choose a sprite. Then we need to type every walking. It's here only, so you can. And next you need to choose a backdrop. Okay, backdrop, which is a school. School. Yeah, this is a school. And if you want to decrease this sprite's size, you can decrease it. I'll keep 90. Okay, so he will become little bit smaller in size. So now I'll tell you what code should we add. Okay, first, whenever we start a scratch project, we need to first add this events when green flag click. Then we need to add repeat 30. As you can see here, it is repeat 10, and so you can type here, click here, and you can type 3030. Okay, it becomes 30. And next what the next step is to go into the looks block category, and we can uh, select this next costume. Okay, this comes over here, third block. And now we are adding the motion, move 10 blocks in the motion category. Now at this is the last block, we'll go to controls and we'll take wait 1 second block, and this is the code you need to add. Okay, this code, when green flag clicked, repeat 30, next costume, move 10 steps, wait 1 second. Okay, so now let's see now what this scratch does. Okay, we'll press this and we should press this green flag. We should click OK so that it runs its program. Okay, now let's see. Can you see the change? Yes, you can. So now what is 1 minute? I'll explain you. Explain. Okay. Now first, what has happened? What has happened? First, when green flag is clicked. Okay. When green flag is clicked, repeat 30 times. Next costume means uh, 30 times it will repeat its next costume and move 10 steps and wait 1 second. Okay, I'll show you. Let's bring this boy over here. Now as you can see, yeah, as you can see, now it's his costume is changing and is moving, repeat 30 times, correct, 30 times, and is moving 10 steps, right? Yeah, he's moving 10 steps and his wait is waiting 1 second. He's waiting. So this is today's scratch project. Okay, now you can try this in your home. Yeah, just a second, I'll click. Okay, yeah, now this is the code you need to add. Okay, when green flag clicked, this is from the events block. Okay, remember this events block and repeat 10 times. It is from the controls blocks and I changed it to 30. So now next costume is from looks block. Okay, and move 10 steps is from motion blocks, and wait 1 second is from again controls blocks over here. Okay, this is the code which you need to add for this project. Okay, thank you. Bye. And also subscribe my videos and my channel, and comment and like my videos. Thank you. Bye.